Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Copilot Pages. Copilot Pages is a dynamic, persistent canvas in Copilot chat or business chat designed for multiplayer AI collaboration. Let's jump to demo directly. I have this Word file containing information of all kinds of Copilot. Here I have logged in with my Enter ID and I have Microsoft 365 Copilot license. I clicked on work. Let me summarize the file that I just shown to you on Copilots. If you want to know more about all kind of Copilots, please refer my this video. Come back to demo of Copilot Pages. We are summarizing this file. At the end of the response, you can see there's an option Edit in Pages. Click on this. At bottom you will see you can find page here, summarize all Copilots. On right side is a canvas which have information copied from response to this loop component. Copilot pages are loop components. Here you can modify or edit the content and share with other team members. For example, apart from this, so you can perform activities as per your requirement. Also, you can try various options inside the loop. You can mark your team members to add more information or for their comments. So you can perform various type of editing and additions in the contents as per your requirement. Not only this, if you add more prompts, for example, click on edit in pages, the information copied at the bottom. I can further modify as per requirement. So you can edit and do collaboration with your team members. Now you want to share this information with your team members. So there are two options: copy component. As this is a loop component, we can share using Microsoft Teams and Outlook. So I can use this component in my Teams. And also in Outlook. You can also share the link of page with your team members. You can see other users typing some information in the same loop component in the same page, and you able to collaborate in real time. In documents, you can see the comments written by different users. Like here, this comment is by NS, and this comment by J. So with the help of Copilot Pages, you can have multiplayer AI Copilot collaboration. As of now, this functionality is available within Microsoft 365 Copilot Business Chat. This functionality currently not available in the free Copilot, but coming soon if you log in with your Entra ID. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website, which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.